Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can revoke an invitation to a workspace on Slack. For example, if you send that invitation accidentally to a wrong user. So let me show you how to do that really quickly with one click of your mouse. So head over to Slack, log into your account and select the workspace in the first step here in the top left corner. And after that, access your workspace settings by clicking on your workspace name here. Hover your mouse over Tools and Settings. And here to the right, select Workspace Settings. Here inside your Workspace Settings, make sure that you click on Manage Members and Roles here. That is going to redirect you to the member management system of your workspace. So what you want to do, guys, is select the user you would like to invite or revoke the invitation for by clicking on these three dots next to the username. And after that, simply select Revoke Invitation. And that's basically it, guys. You may also resend the invitation alternately if you like. That's totally up to you. So that's how we do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.